Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular website building platforms, Wix Studio and Framer. Both offer powerful tools for creating stunning websites, but which one is the right one for you? Let's break it down. So first up is Wix Studio. Wix Studio is Wix's latest professional design platform. It's perfect for users looking for customization without needing deep coding skills. With drag and drop functionality, pre-made templates, and AI tools, it allows you to create websites efficiently. Wix Studio shines when it comes to user friendliness and is ideal for small businesses or individuals wanting a polished site with minimal hassle. However, downside is that customization can be somewhat limited compared to Framer if you're a more advanced user who wants more total control. But for most people, Wix Studio's balance between ease and features is excellent. Now let's talk about Framer. If you're someone who wants total creative freedom, Framer is an excellent choice. Unlike Wix Studio, Framer gives you the ability to build highly interactive websites with full control over animations, designs, and custom code. It's favored by designers and developers who want precision over every aspect of their site. While Framer is incredibly powerful, the steep learning curve and reliance on coding knowledge can make it more intimidating for beginners. It's perfect for larger projects or users who need complex functionality. Now, just a quick summary. Wix Studio would be the best if you want a quick, easy, and polished site with minimal coding, while Framer is ideal if you're looking for an advanced design and custom animations. For beginners and small businesses, Wix Studio is the way to go. And for creative and developers wanting more control, Framer will deliver the flexibility you need. And that's it for today's comparison. Which one do you think fits your needs? Let me know in the comments below.